That looks like a yummy carrot. Are you staying dry enough under the basket? Let's get behind those ears. I'm sparkling clean. Here's the soap. Are the carrots ready, Mom? Almost, dear. Just a few more slices. I can almost reach it, Mama.
A little higher, sweetie. You're doing great.
It looks delicious. There. It's so pretty. Wow. Can we go faster, Mama? We are going nice and steady. I got one. Yay, a big fish. Hooray for Mom. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat the fish. It's almost done, my loves. Keep going, my little racers. You're doing great. Whee, look how fast we are. I'm gonna beat you. Look what I have for you, sweetie. Wow, a tiger hat. I love it, Mama. Mother Cat.
And we have so many potatoes!
This is the best ride ever. Look, Mama's making them sparkly clean. Almost ready for dinner, little ones. They look yummy. Almost ready, my little ones. These potatoes smell delicious. How colorful this is getting. Wow, that looks so yummy, Mom.
When can we eat it? Here you go, sweetie. Dig in.
This is the best pizza ever.
I want some too.